Welcome everybody to another edition of Hunky Junk Car Mods Garage. Today and yesterday, we tore apart the rear end out of the sn95 Pro Street. Putting 430 gears in it. We got it all tore apart.
I need a, oh yeah, no, I'll leave it in there. Excuse me, Z.
We're now putting the new gears in it, adjusting the backlash and everything like that. We thought we'd put some kind of video out there because we haven't put a video out in a while. Last night we quit. We went and did a little bit of fishing. Again, that is free fishing weekend for us here in Wisconsin. But anyhow, we're working on this, getting the backlash set up. we will be taking and putting the rear end in. It had 327 gears in it, and now we put a new quick performance. It is a Yukon gear and axle center section. Let's show you here. It is the Duragrip. Turn it into a posi, and they sell different types and everything like that. You can see here, here's the Duragrip. This is the posi locker, and then the zip locker. It's, I think, limited slip. Anyhow, they give us a great deal on that. Very knowledgeable people and know what they're doing. But we're going to work on this and get this backlash set up. Well, here it is, another day. It took us another day longer to do it. We freshened up the paint on it. We repainted our calipers and everything like that. We didn't get into detail with this video because there's so many out there on how to change the gears out on a 8.8 Ford rear end. What we'll do is we'll put a link into one of our favorite guys, and if you want to know exactly how it's all put together, you can go ahead and watch his video. We have 430 gears in it now. We have her all sealed up. We had to wait 24 hours for our silicone to dry before we allow any oils or gear lube to get to it. On a Ford rear end, you have to put the additive in it. A lot of the people highly recommend that you use the additive directly from Ford, so we went ahead and did that. It calls for 80-90 gear lube. We put that in non-synthetic, and today we're going to be putting it in the car. We got her just about back together. Take the cover off her so she looks better. She's dirty as all get out. What we did past couple of days, took the rear end out of this thing, put 430 gears in her, painted the rear end all up, painted the calipers all up again, make her look like brand new. And we're waiting on the wheelie bar to dry. We repainted that too. And everything turned out pretty good. Our backlash on that is like 8. They call for 7 to 9, and we put her at 8, which is a happy medium. Our pattern seems to be right dead center, so it should be pretty good. So are you ready to tell the peeps what happened with this thing? Transmission blew up? Yeah. Bought a transmission off of Facebook and the marketplace right here, and it worked for, what would you say, about a mile? Around the block twice. Around the block twice. And what happened with it? The clutches went out. clutches went out and it quit working. So we found an honest guy off a marketplace that had one. It was a little pricey, but it actually works really good. So we got her back and running. How many days did it take?
2 days.
2 days, 2 solid days. 4 o'clock in the morning both days, right? No.
Just one.
4 o'clock in the morning, and then the next one was
About 9 o'clock.
about 9 o'clock. Got her all finished. All new fluids back in her and everything. Oh. There. Got my camera to go out. He's here cleaning her up. Look inside. It ain't so messy like the other videos were. The other videos, it had shit stacked everywhere in it. Let's come out here. Getting her clean here. He's got just about the same amount of tire as what I have on this, but his inset is more than what mine is. He's a little deep here, but more deeper in the back than I am. I think it's reversed. I think you're 4 inches out, and what is it? Them are 12s or 10s?
10 and a half.
10 and a half. Splattering me. Anyhow, that's what we've been doing for the past week or so, and took and got the rear end up and changed all that out. He took and did his transmission. But anyhow, thanks for watching. Remember, like, share, and subscribe. Have a great day.